Welcome to New Hampshire's Business. I'm Fred Kocher. They may overhaul submarines at the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard, but they're going to be submarines built elsewhere in New Hampshire. And here is what I'm talking about. Take a look at this picture. This is called Seabird. It's a personal submarine that's going to be built soon here in New Hampshire. This is the prototype, and with me to talk about this are the two inventors of this, and they are Rich Maurer, who is president of AquaVenture WaterCrafts. Welcome, Rich. Nice to have you.
Thanks, sir.
And Robert DeCesar, who is vice president of AquaVenture WaterCrafts. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
Where did you get this idea?
Well, really, it all started about 7 years ago, where this friend of mine literally gave me an old beat-up boat in exchange for a bottle of scotch, which was a pretty good deal because I don't even drink scotch.
All right.
So anyway, I started taking the kids out with the boat and pulling them on tubes and everything else, and I just started thinking, what else can I pull with this boat?
And we're going to show you, and here it is. Let's go to the tape. Here is the submarine in action in the water. Describe how this works, Rich.
Well, okay, this is Rob actually in there doing one of the tests, and what it is it's towable submersible, and what that does is it permits the sub to have the power of internal combustion of the towing vessel. So right now, Rob's steering it with a joystick, and the joystick actually controls the sub just like a video game. You push it down, you go and dive like Rob's doing right now. If he pulled back on the joystick, which he's going to do shortly, you climb. It'll go and it'll go straight up, down steeper than most roller coasters if that's what you want to do. It'll do 360-degree rolls if that's what you like to do.
How long is the tow line?
It depends on the configuration, but about 350 feet if you're diving down to 150-foot depth.
And it has some kind of an avoidance technology in it?
It does. It has a sonar-based avoidance of obstacles out front.
How fast can it go?
It does up to 25 miles per hour.
How long is it? What are the dimensions?
This is a single-seater, but the two-seater we're going to sell is going to be 22 feet long and have a diameter of about 40 inches.
That is so cool. This is the ultimate toy for a person who has everything.
Well, we'd like it to be a toy for everybody.
What's it going to cost? There's one-seater, and then you got a two-seater coming. What would be the cost of both?
The two-seater is going to be our launch vessel, and that's going to run about $115,000.
Okay, $115,000. Who's going to buy that? What's your market?
We think the biggest market for us is going to be the tour operators, Caribbean, Mexico, where we can have a certified pilot take down a paying passenger.
And one of the things you have stressed about this, that it is safe, Rich.
Yeah, it sure is. See, Rob and I started talking about safety from the very beginning, but all tourist subs are certified by a classification agency called mostly the ABS, American Bureau of Shipping. And ABS certified subs have a perfect safety record of zero casualties or fatalities. So this thing is really safer than taking a bath or a shower, literally.
Where are you going to make this? I know you're going to make it in New Hampshire, but where do you think? Are you going to set up shop?
Manchester, Merrimack area is where we're looking at.
And how soon?
We got to start booking orders, so hopefully within the next 6 months.
You're going to have the capital to do that.
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
Hopefully.
That's always the plan. Do you have a website? And I want to put it up on the screen. It's www.aquaventurewatercrafts.com, and you can go there and see more about this company, which is in the making. This is an innovative company for New Hampshire. You have competition?
You know, let me say, our nearest competition is really a sub that will do 10 miles per hour and costs $1.5 million. So not really.
Not really. Okay. I want to thank Rich Maurer, who is president of AquaVenture WaterCrafts, and Robert DeCesar, who is vice president. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can see this interview again at WMUR.com. Just click on Project Economy.